Are you feeling stressed? Do you feel anxiety? Let's do something about it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Think 5 things that you can see right now. What do you see? 5 now things. What are 4 things that you can touch? Pen, pencil, candle, paper, food. What can you touch? Got it. What are 3 things you can hear? What can you hear right now? What are the 3 things that you can hear? Got it. Now close your eyes. What are 2 things that you can smell right now? What can you smell? Flowers, something in the wind, food. What can you smell right now? Got it. And last one. What's 1 thing you can taste? Close your eyes. And what can you taste right now?